Hello friends, welcome to my channel TKT. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can update or install Windows 10 without losing any file. So let's start the video. First of all, let's see our Windows was installed in which state. So we need to go to the properties. So as you can see it is 2023 installed on 2022. So let's see how we can update or install new ways. So we need to bootable pendrive. Now we need to open the pendrive. Here you can see there is option setup. So you have to double click on it. It will take some time to preparing the Windows 10. So as you can see now you have to click next. You have to wait for some time. It will take the Windows to make the Windows installation ready. So it will take some time. So we need to wait for some time. Here we need to click on accept. Now we have to wait for some time. It will check the update and make the update ready. Now from here you can see the installation is ready. Now we can keep next because we want everything, every file as it is. So after clicking on the installation, then the installation is begun. So you have to wait for some time. Here the PC will take some time and it will restart, and then you will can see the update. So we have to wait for some time. So let's wait for some time. So you can see it is almost done. Now it will restart my PC. So we have to wait for some time for the restart. So our update has almost done. Now it will take some time to ready my PC. So after that, as you can see, we have successfully updated our PC. So if we go to my computer in properties, so as you can see, it is showing today's date 2015 uh, July 22. So this is how you can install Windows 10 without losing any data. So thanks for watching this video.